Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Temu Tuesday. I don't do this every week, y'all, but I do once in a while. I will post some Temu products and I have a few things to show you. I have a couple of try-on type items, but I got these earrings. I was looking for my pricing and these were just $1.79. I love leaves. So these are just, let me try to show you. This is how, it's a ring. I did lose some nails, sorry. I'll try to show you together, let's see. They're gold in color, of course they're not gold, but they have stones. Can you see? Now, and this is important to me when I pick earrings. I like them to be opposite. I don't like them to be the same exact earring. They have to be the flip side. Does that make sense? See how this side has the burgundy stone? So that they are opposites. That's the way they always used to make earrings, always. And then in these cheap days that we're in, things are made all the same and pressed out all the same. And then they put two together and say that they are a pair. And I was gonna put these on, but I can't get them open to put them on. They have a little hinge. Can you see that? Hard to see. So let me see them on. They were a little hard to clip on. I mean, to open up the circle. But once they did, then they're just fine. And then they're safe now. They're not going to fall off of me. They're very, very pretty. So just a little something sparkly. And then I have some try-on items, and I just have one more item besides clothing. So let me show you that real quick. These were $3.38. They're called wheat straw plates. So I don't know if that's what they're made with. It's a set of 5 and they're just, light colors. I just wanted something like this that was $3.38. They're just a little pan. I have, when I make my cappuccino or latte in the morning, some of the parts have a drain to it that drips, and I put it back in my refrigerator because the milk is in there and it drips on, and I have to always keep cleaning the shelf. So I'm gonna put it on this, and then when I take one of these out to wash it, I can put another one in. And then, I can do that with any of these. I can use them for anything to go under something, to hold under something. So they're just cute, little plastic things that you can use for organizing. I thought that was a good little deal. And now onto the clothing portion. So I do have a couple of things that I tried on. Oops, sorry, my chair really hits the floor. I should have thought about that sooner. These, based on the sizing on Temu, they put me in a 3X, mostly. And some things I bought are too loose or too big. So I have to sort of decide, am I going to pick the 3X18 or the 2X16? So on these, because of the way they looked on the model, I chose a 2X. These are a spandex pant that has this flounce at the bottom. Can you see that? And you'll see that these are a little snug on me. They fit me, but they're a little snug. So these were $7.99. And let me just show you the try-ons, and then I'll come back and talk about the products. I got this blouse previously from Temu, but I'm showing you these gauchos, or whatever you want to call them. They hit about mid-calf. They do have pockets. It has an elastic waist. They are nylon, I would say, and they're thick, but they're not as thick as some of the products I've received from Temu. These I just thought were cute, but these are a little snug on me. Can you see the bottoms? Yeah, I don't really, they were a little flouncy. I just don't like it. It's a nice thin material. It is a nylon, but they're probably fit, but they're fit like leggings. I don't like that. This is odd. This is like a stuffed animal. I love the pattern. It has pockets. It is, let me try to turn this up a little bit. You can see up here. The neckline, it's almost like I have it on backwards, but I don't because the pockets wouldn't be on the back. It is so comfortable. It is wonderful for the cold weather we've been having. We go cold, then we go hot, then cold and hot, or not hot, but spring and winter, spring and winter. And I think it's that way everywhere. So this is nice and warm and great to wear around the house. It is high up here. It's not bothering me. It's super, super soft. So it's not bothering me. I just can't get that to show you my face there. Okay, there I am. Okay, so you see how that is? It's comfortable though. I would definitely wear this around the house. I don't know that I'd wear it out because it's weird. But it's comfortable. So this one has the kangaroo pocket in the front. It is a true hoodie. It is, that's the length of it. It's super soft. Again, same material. It's stretchy. Not this part so much, but the wrists. This one doesn't have as long of a sleeve. It's like a stuffed animal. It is so soft and perfect for inside my old cold house. Perfect for wintertime. It's been cold here, like I said. And then we have the warmer days, but this will be wonderful in the wintertime. So that's that. All right, so these were $7.99, and they are 95% spandex, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So they do have a little give, well, that's the elastic waist, but they do have a little give to them, which is nice. So I would wear them. I just would have to wear something longer because I just don't like, they just fit like perfectly instead of a little loose. I hope that makes sense because I'm a big girl and some big girls have a great figure too. I don't have a great figure. So that was $7.99. And next I got these. These are a culottes, if you will. I think that's what they call them. They call these a plus size elegant capri, but really they're like a culotte or a gaucho. They came to mid-calf, and see how they're a wide leg. So these are nice for spring, summer, fall for me here where I live in northern Alabama. They have pockets, which I really like that. The fabric is not as thick. I have gotten some of these, a lot of their slacks are very thick and uncomfortable to me, unless it's winter. But this is 100% polyester, and that's how they are. But this one is not as thick. And the same with this spandex one. This one is not as thick. So this will be more comfortable to wear in the spring and the fall here when it's warmer. So, and then I got these two tops. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this because I chose these tops because I was watching Miss Jackie Russell, and she's a Temu affiliate. Not sure if that's the proper word, but if you want to buy under, I can put Temu below, but I am not an affiliate. I know several, Miss Jackie Russell, Tea Time Adventures, Favorites with Laura. There's several ladies that have affiliates, or whatever the right word is, for Temu, and they get credit if you buy under them. So go find their links and buy under them so that they can get credit, because then they can show us more things. Miss Jackie Russell has been doing fashion shows for us recently, and she showed us some of these crazy things, and that's what I thought. These are crazy things, but I love them. It has been very, very cold here, and we're mixing that with spring now. But our winter was very cold this year. I think I'm getting older too, and things are bothering me more. This is a blouse that I got from Temu, by the way, in a previous, I've had it for a while. But these, I got two things like this. You saw me try them out already. They are like a blanket or like a stuffed animal. This is a, let's see, it doesn't say, it just says a woman's casual sweatshirt is what they're calling it. The inside, there's no lining. It's like the inside of a stuffed animal. So you can wear a t-shirt under it. This didn't bother me at all, but it is a little bit ever so slightly feeling abrasive, but it didn't feel like that on my skin when I had it on. It is furry, and this fur will fly. It's like having the cats. This one had the pockets in the front. This was the one with the funny collar. It's like, it is sewn, but it doesn't have much of a collar to it, so it's warm. And my house gets very cold in the wintertime. It's an old home with old windows and stuff, so this would be great to just lounge around in. It's long, it's a tunic style, and I love that that pattern. I should know what that pattern is called, but I'm not thinking of it right now. But anyway, it's really cute. I don't know how it's going to wash up. I have no idea how it's going to wash up. I think it's going to wash up like a blanket, because that's what it's like. And the other one is a lilac color, and this is a hoodie. This is a true hoodie. The hoodie does work. It fits like a hoodie would, and it had, I mean, it's not like you know, some tops have like a false hoodie where it's not big enough to fit over your head. This has the string so you can tie it, and it has the kangaroo pouch. Whoops, the sleeves are inside out. It has the kangaroo pouch in the front, and it does have the band around the bottom, even though it has no elastic in it. So it was not constricting at all at the bottom. It was very comfortable on, super, super soft, and nice and warm for when I sit down and relax and I have to put a blanket on my legs. So this will keep the top of me warm as well in my house to watch TV. So I like those items. The day that I'm filming this, it is 40 degrees here, and it's been already in the 60s this past week, and the week coming up we're gonna have in the 70s. So we are fluctuating, and I know a lot of the country is doing that. So it's nice to have these kinds of things, and then I'll have them for next winter as well. And that's what I have for you for Temu Tuesday. I know there's a lot of other channels that do this, and there's a lot of other channels that do Temu, you know, just any day of the week. So go check them out. And I put Miss Jackie Russell in, I'll put her in the description so you can find her. And oh, let me tell you real quick what I'm wearing. This is my Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. This is beautiful. And that's what I have on. And I also have on the Gwen Stefani Give Lippy that I just got in Ipsy. And that's it. So y'all, thank you for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.